Bitcoin is pumping, and in this exact video I will be exactly talk about why this currently is happening. So make sure to stick in this video because I will be also talk about the most important support and resistance, and Bitcoin is literally right now breaking above critical resistance. So make sure to watch this video till the end. It's going to be a super important one. And with that being said, don't forget to slap up the like button on today's update video, and let me jump straight away in towards the analysis. So once looking at the imminent short term, Bitcoin has literally closed in higher high than the previous high of this big massive fake out of the fake BlackRock news, what is of course absolutely massive. And let me straight away explain about why this is happening. So what we're currently seeing is that literally all signs are pointing that we are going to get a Bitcoin spot ETF before the 10th of January 2024, and due to that the market is literally pricing in the ETF in the market, and that is why Bitcoin is moving up right now here. Why am I saying so? Is because since last week we have seen different behavior from the SEC, because right now the SEC is working together with the issuers like BlackRock to complete the fulfillment. They're literally refiling all their ETFs to match basically what the SEC exactly want. And this is of course massive news, because this is the first time that the SEC is working together with issuers to complete the filing for a Bitcoin spot ETF. And due to that, the chances of a Bitcoin spot ETF are increasing, and due to that, the market is pricing it in. Why? It's because last time we saw what the market could do if a spot ETF gets accepted out of nowhere, and literally the odds are rising, so the market is pricing it in. So that is personally really why I think Bitcoin is going to be moving up here, and honestly probably is going to continue up for a little bit longer here as well. So looking at the 4-hourly time frame, we actually perfectly found this level into support, and then we move towards the upside. Looking at here at this chart, we exactly broke below this range low here. After we did so on the daily candle, boom, we shoot up towards the upside exactly like I've been predicting. So you can literally see Bitcoin just entered the higher range here. So this is very good news here, because yes, I've been talking about the higher range for quite a long time on the channel already. I mean, we've been trading in the lower range for a very long period of time of in this market for Bitcoin, and I said if we manage to break above 28.6k on the daily candle, we could be entering that higher range, and that could be ultimately super bullish for the markets, and that is exactly what we did. So realistically speaking, if we're going to talk in terms of resistance and support, the next resistance here in this region is going to be somewhere around this level right here. This is going to be the middle range resistance, I would call, and of course this is going to be a level that probably is going to be providing some rejections. It's sitting around 29.7k here, but as soon as we do break above this level, honestly 31.5k is going to be realistically speaking the next target, and that will be the top side for Bitcoin. But don't be fooled, because actually, yeah, Bitcoin is maybe bouncing back towards the upside again here, but literally for the past, let me say this correctly, for the past 220 days we've been trading in this range already. Only we're right now coming back towards the top side of the range. For Bitcoin to really create a big move here, what you want to be seeing here is a breakout of the region. So right now we're still trading in this bigger price region, and for me to really call, okay, right now we're going to have a big pump, right now we're going to have a big dump, you need to see a break outside of the region. So as long as Bitcoin is trading inside of the region, I'm not really expecting fireworks. I mean, yeah, Bitcoin is moving up ever so slightly towards the upside right now, but you can't even imagine what kind of a move it will be once Bitcoin breaks out of the region, and that is really where we're waiting for. So stay posted for that. I mean, at the same time, Bitcoin managed to break the 3-day massive downtrend. It's a 98-week downtrend, and to be exact in terms of days, it's a 68 5-day downtrend that Bitcoin yesterday just broke above of. And this is also massive news here. Bitcoin is breaking above this legendary downtrend, and yeah, the price target of this breakout is around $47,000, what is absolutely insane. So I mean, guys, honestly, I think trading the retest is the most smartest thing to do here, and trading the region right here is also the most smartest thing to do. But if you're interested in trading and benefiting from the volatility that Bitcoin finally is creating again here, don't forget to go to the link description of today's video, because you can currently claim a free $1,000 airdrop position, and all you need to do here is sign up an account using that link below, deposit $100 in the coming 7 days, complete KYC, and then you can claim that insane deposit bonus. Whether you want to take it in a long or short position, you can choose it, but it's absolutely massive. So looking further at Bitcoin, the daily time frame is beautifully breaking out here, and honestly, I've been just talking about this. As long as Bitcoin is trading in this region, I don't really expect fireworks, but once we break outside of this region, and I really think that Bitcoin could really break out once the ETF news is going to get confirmed, but once we break outside of this region, especially towards the upside, honestly, then we're going to be entering a new price region. And what price region is going to be, I'm not quite sure yet. And of course, the most beautiful thing we could have here is a breakout towards the upside and then a potential retest. And on that exact retest, that is the point where I will be opening up massive long positions on Bitcoin. That is currently what I'm looking to do. That is currently what I'm aiming for to do. So we'll keep you guys posted, but there will be massive trading opportunities. Honestly, yesterday I bought a Porsche 911 GT3 RS with Bitcoin. I spent 8 Bitcoins on this car. And it's already a bad investment. I already knew that I'm not going to make a profit on it or whatsoever. This is of course a thing that is not smart to do here, but I got so addicted to the car that I had to buy it. So I spent 8 Bitcoin on it. Guys, follow me on Instagram if you want to be seeing more about it. And let me know in the comment section down below if I should make a video about this car. Because yeah, I mean, I personally love it, but I'm not quite sure if you guys want to see it as well. Anyways, let's continue with the analysis, because right now, you can see also on the weekly time frame, it's not confirmed yet here, but we are on the edge of having that breakout, right? We're only 2 days and 19 hours out here, and once we break out right here, we will confirm the mass 98-week downtrend break also on that weekly time frame. What is going to be big news here? And of course, still on the bigger things of it all, the resistance to be breaking is $32,000. As long as we're not breaking above $32,000, there's no reason to really say Bitcoin is right now turning super bullish. And it's quite interesting because geopolitically speaking, there is a lot of interesting things happening, right? Not interesting, but yeah, damaging things happening. And you can see that gold is massively having a run up. And what is also having a run up right now, it is Bitcoin. So Bitcoin and gold are moving quite similarly with each other towards the upside. So that's actually quite interesting to be seeing. Gold is really moving up here. Bitcoin is also following. So maybe this is not necessarily is because of the ETF news getting priced in, but mainly it's also a little bit due to the fact that gold is pumping. So maybe it's like 2 out of 1, and that is why Bitcoin is moving up right now here. But it's good to see that Bitcoin is actually moving up while the classic stock market is down 0.6%. Bitcoin is up 1.5% in the last 12 hours. So that is of course absolutely amazing. And at the same time, we saw that the Bitcoin mining difficulty jumped more than 6% yesterday. What is of course a massive jump in mining difficulty. So guys, keep building. We are definitely still in the bear market. We're not out of the woods yet here, but I am so convinced that, I mean, I am at least accumulating massive amounts of Bitcoin right now here, and I'm so 100% convinced that we're going to get this next bull market, and that next bull market, we're going to get so freaking rich. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.